Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. I did record some video earlier, but for some reason the audio is all messed up, so I have to go through and do a re-voiceover on it. I don't really in the mood to do that right now. So right now I'm still working on recapping a Atari Jaguar. I got a couple of the big caps out already. I'm going through right now and just replacing caps one by one. So the big thing is I want to get all these caps replaced before I try to power it on. I need to go through and replace the voltage regulator chips and the boost and buck converter on there. But I don't want to do that until I replace all the caps, because I don't want a faulty cap to be the cause of those IC failures. So I'm just going through one by one right now, replacing capacitors. These are just a bunch of electrolytics, through hole.
Cayo Media Luna, the island belonging to Honduras, the one located at 16D28MOOSN.
Well, that was entertaining. Alexa, stop. For some reason my Alexa just came on. I have no idea why. That was bizarre. Anywho, I'm going through now and just replacing caps. If I ever get the time, I'll do a re-voiceover on the other video, but it's not all that exciting. Not sure if it's worth it. I'm just going through one by one, popping caps off. C24, here you are. And that's these two. I did get a new toy in. This is a replacement for, I had another solder remover very similar style to this, except the rubber had, I think I bought it from Radio Shack many years ago, and the rubber just dried up on it, and it was just, it wasn't what she used to be. So it has been retired and replaced. Trying to get too sentimental about my tools, because what they are is they're tools. They're not, once they wear out, you can either fix them or just get a replacement, and I got a replacement instead. That guy doesn't want to come, does he? Sometimes the parts come easy, sometimes they don't. So for now, I'm just gonna go recap this and talk to you all later. It's a real short one tonight. Bye bye.